What is the difference between Tide and Gain Laundry Detergent? Obviously, these are two of the most popular and well-known brands of laundry detergent in the United States, and both are made by Procter & Gamble. Here is the primary difference. If you're going to wash heavily soiled clothes regularly, and you need a top-of-the-line detergent with maximum cleaning power, then Tide is what you go with. Because of the way Tide has been formulated, it is a far better detergent when it comes to cleaning power than Gain. But what about Gain? What makes it so popular? Well, Gain is recognized and well known for its distinctive, long-lasting fragrances. With Gain, you got scents like Midnight Breeze, Apple Mango Tango. You've got the original scent. You've got Spring Daydream, Island Fresh, and the list goes on and on. Now, Tide also offers scented detergents, but they're far, far less potent and intense than Gain. So which detergent is better? If your primary goal is that you want your clothes to smell good, then you need to go with Gain. It's not that Gain doesn't clean your clothes and Gain doesn't have any cleaning power. It's just that cleaning power is the emphasis of Tide, and fragrance and smelling good is the emphasis of Gain. So you might ask yourself, well, why not just use Gain? You get clean clothes and they smell good. It's a win-win in both situations. Well, not so fast. Not for everybody. For some people, those fragrances affect people's allergies and it just bothers their sinuses. And so they want the cleaning power, but they don't want the strong scent. So in that case, they opt for Tide. And that's the primary difference between the two detergents. I hope you found the video valuable. If you've ever wanted to know how to remove urine from your grout around your toilet, click the video right here.